Hi everybody, today I will show you how to fix it when you ran out of yarn during your project. So it's happened. See, you have a little tail like this. You almost reach the number you need and voila. So no problem, you just go and add more yarn on it. With your wool needle you will pick up all the stitches like you do every time, and at the end you will pull on those two string of green yarn, not the blue one, the green yarn, and it will fix the problem. So when you end up no yarn at the end of your project, like it's only missed like 2 or 3 rows, you're not gonna start that all over. You will be just fine by doing this little trick. I have another tip not far, so stay on this video. The video is only 5 minutes, so 5 minutes could be a good thing to watch. So if it's happened to you, you will be able to fix it. So I grab all the stitches, and you know it's very important to grab all the stitches, because if you miss one you will end up with another trouble or problem. You will end up with a drop stitch. And in this video I do not show how to fix a drop stitch, so you will have to watch another video. Now in this one I will show you how to fix it when you thought it's not possible to continue because you don't have any yarn to cast off properly, but you see right now that it's possible. The other trick will be at the closing. So I put that aside. Very important to stretch your work like this, and you will pull your inside first like this, and that's where I noticed the little tips that I could show you here. You see, I grabbed all the stitches, but for X reason this one didn't get in. So no problem, I just grab it with my wool needle like this, and I will close it, and voila, it's hide, no problem. And it will be in the inside of our ad, so we will not see it. So no needs to panic for this one. So I will finish tip number 1 just after I finish closing this part. There, stretch it, and then tip number 1 is here. You pull on your 2 green tail of yarn. Make sure you have the inside tail going out like this, and attach those 2 together. So you have 3 green that you will go and hide between the 2 layers, and you put the blue one aside for now because it's alive, it's not attached anywhere. So make sure you get rid of the green tail, and then you will go with your little tail of blue, and make sure you pick it in 1 stitches like this, create it a loop, and put your yarn inside of it right there. Push it with your finger very tight, and then you go and hide it between the 2 layers, and voila, that was the 2 tips for today. Hope it will help you for future project. I will give you an idea how it's look at the end. This video was part of another video. I will put that